GameStop stock is pumping. The Wall Street bet is back. Are we going to see a crazy meme stock mania? And what does this mean for the overall crypto market, specifically the meme coin market? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at what's going on with GameStop. We also see a brand new GameStop token on the Solana network and a pre-sale gem that you're absolutely not going to want to miss out on. Now, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. And remember, none of this is financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the projects we cover on this channel. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the overall crypto market. Crypto market up 5% on the day. Bitcoin soaring to $66,000, which is absolutely phenomenal. In terms of the fear and greed index, we're sitting at a 52, so it kind of hasn't moved that much in the past week or so, but we are seeing Bitcoin on a bullish momentum rally. Can we see Bitcoin break all-time highs again? Quite possibly. But today we're talking about GameStop. As you can see, the GameStop stock is trending again, currently trading for $40 USD. I believe the market's just closed, or they're about to close in a couple of minutes right now at the time of filming this video. We see on the past 6 months, it's soared up to 215%. There looks like there is a bit of a sell-off. Now, if you're not familiar, the reason why the stock is pumping right now is because a lot of the retail investors are fighting these greedy hedge fund Wall Street guys. And basically, they're shorting the stock, so people are buying it to make sure they intentionally lose money. So far, they lost billions and billions of dollars, hence the price is pumping. But obviously, there's some paper hands where they're obviously taking some profits, which was anticipated to see. Now, if we look in the max, guys, we see at one point GameStop pumped all the way up to $81. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the stock was split. From my memory, I thought it soared much higher than $80. So there's a great chance this stock was split. Now, what's causing this to pump? We see Roaring Kitty returns, sending meme stocks like GameStop to surge once again. Talking about surge and talking about stocks and cryptos to get into, I want to quickly highlight Dogeverse, the train traveling Dogecoin token. Guys, this token's available on 6 different chains. So, the world's first chain traveling Doge goes multi-chain on Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and also Solana, and they're live on all the networks. This one has crazy utility. It also has staking as well, so you can earn passive income on your tokens at 56% APY, which is absolutely ridiculous. They've raised over $15 million in the past 4 to 5 weeks, which is absolutely insane. They're growing a community rapidly fast on Twitter as well, with over 17,000 followers. This is growing rapidly fast. You absolutely don't want to miss out on this token. This one's going to go absolutely parabolic. If you want to grab a bag, I'm going to link in the description below. Solid roadmap, solid tokenomics, everything we like to see in a project. Very simple to buy. If you're interested in grabbing a bag, make sure you check it out, link in the description below. But back to GameStop, what's going on? Roaring Kitty returns. AMC, BlackBerry, among companies have caught up in this surge. The man at the center of the pandemic meme stock craze appeared online for the first time in 3 years, setting the price of 3 quickly and volatile shares sharply higher on Monday. Keith Gill, better known as Roaring Kitty, posted an image Sunday on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, of a man sitting forward on his chair, a meme used by gamers when things are getting serious. He followed that post with a YouTube video from years before where he championed the company GameStop, saying that's all for now because I'm out of breath. FYI, here's a quick 4-minute video I put together to summarize the GME bull case. So obviously he's back after 2 years, and he was kind of the reason why GameStop pumped in the first time originally. So he's back, he sees some new signs, and this is causing GameStop to go in a bullish direction. We can also see GameStop shares decline as meme rallies lose momentum. Now, my personal opinion, this could just be hedge funds paying these articles to talk bearish about it to cause it to dump. Again, obviously, this is just my personal opinion, but you can obviously take a look at both sides, neither saying to ape or sell anything. Now, I also saw on the trending tab that GameStop GME token is trending. They have a market cap of $134 million, or looks like $80 million as this project is dumping. Is this a scam? Is this legit? I don't know. All we know is it's a Solana themed token. Wallsucks.lol. Wall Street can't stop us. So they're just creating this whole meme coin to kind of, I guess, suck it, right? On Solana, you can get a price. If you're not interested in buying stocks, you buy meme coins. And this is a trend we're going to see. People see something trending in IRL and they decide they want to make a meme coin, a meme stock about it. And that's what we got this GME currently trading for almost 2 cents, which is not too shabby. I imagine this could continue to rally up. This could continue to pump, so keep your eye on it. However, I haven't personally done any research or due diligence on this project, so please take a deep dive before investing $1. This is definitely not by GameStop by any means necessary. This is just a meme coin community. GME, a community coin on Sol, parody of GameStop, so it's a parody token. There could still obviously be good in this, and obviously there could be some ill intent as well. Regardless, always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you're watching videos like this, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.